So today we are going to see how to create a database in MySQL Workbench, and also we are going to see how to create a table in SQL. So first we need to use create database and then the name that we wanted to give to our database. Suppose ABCD. So this is the database name that we wanted to give it. Control Shift Enter is the shortcut. Either you can select and run this, or you have a shortcut that is Control Shift Enter. Once you run it, you can refresh the schema. Now you will be able to see the database that is ABCD. Now suppose we wanted to know how many database we are having in our system. So that is show database ends with semicolon. Select the line, press Control Shift Enter. Now here you will get all the list of the database that you have in your server or in your system. Now suppose I wanted to create the table in a database. Firstly, to create a table, we need to use the command that is use table. So we are going to use database, or we can say use ABCE ends with semicolon. So we are giving a command that whatever we are going to do from here, that should for that matter you need to use the database that is ABC. And we are going to use create table. Suppose customer, then open a parenthesis. First column is going to be ID, the data type of a first column. Then suppose column 2 is employee customer name. The data type of our second column is varchar, and we are going to give the size as suppose 30. The third column is going to be salary, or we can say the quantity, as these are customer column. Quantity is going to be numeric, ends with semicolon, and then Control Shift Enter. So now this table is created. So initially we have created the database. Then we have checked what are the databases are available in our system. Then we give a command that is use database, and then we have created a table in our database. So to know about the table, we can use describe and then table name ends with semicolon. Select the statement, press Control Shift Enter. So here you are going to get the output, and the output is that it is describing your table. That for example here we can see that there is a field. Field is nothing but the column that are in our table, and then the type. So type is nothing but the data type of our table. Then we have not added any constraint on our column. That is why it is showing nothing. Now we are going to, suppose we wanted to check all the records from the table, we can use select statement, select star from, and then the table name ends with semicolon. Now we don't have any record, so that is what's only showing the columns. So that's it for this video. We will be continue with the next video about how to insert the rows in a table. See you.